guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to add back button to your Android application. So let's get started. So this is your screen 1, and let me just remove the title and let's say a label name screen 1, and let's set it to bold, center, and color too. Let's say red. And now what we need to do is go to blocks. Finally my application has been published on Play Store, so you can download it now. The download link will be given in description. And what errors I got while uploading this: when you show a YouTube URL, what you need to do, all the things will be given in the next video. In screen 1, select when back button is pressed. What you need to do when back button is pressed, for that you need to add a notifier. This is an invisible component, so when back button is pressed it will show a notifier with a text message as close app, and title as close, and button 1 close, button 2 none, and set cancelable true. Now what we need to do is, after choosing when notifier 1, after choosing 2, we need to get a logic, and in control we need to get if then. Now get choice equal to duplicate close. What we need to do is close the application, so close the application, and it's done. Or else you can change it, give feedback and button 2 as feedback. Now what we need to do is, let's duplicate this screen and change this to feedback, and we will open another screen, name screen 2. Now it's done. We will add another screen name screen 2, and now let's add a label it, and this is screen 2 to the center, and also you can do one more thing, that you added notifier 1 to screen 1, you can add notifier 1 to screen 2 and go to blocks 1 of screen 1 and just add these to backpack, and go to screen 2 and paste it, this and this. Just change this name from screen 1 to screen 2, it's done. You can add a back button from screen 2 and screen 1 both. So let's compile this application and test it. When I open it, you click on close it. If I go to feedback option and click on close, it will close it. So no problem. And thanks for watching. Do subscribe and download my application. Link will be given in description.